Easy cooking tips for lazy bachelors. 1. Use pre-cut vegetables. Buy pre-cut vegetables from the store to save time on chopping and peeling. You can also prepare and freeze vegetables in bulk on weekends to use throughout the week. 2. Keep essential spices handy. Stock up on essential spices like cumin, turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and mustard seeds. Use ready-made spice mixes like curry powder, chana masala, and pav bhaji masala to simplify cooking. 3. One-pot meals. Opt for one-pot meals like khichdi, pulao, or dal rice. They are easy to prepare and require minimal cleanup. Invest in a pressure cooker or an instant pot to make cooking faster and more efficient. 4. Ready-to-eat products. Keep ready-to-eat products like canned beans, frozen parathas, and instant noodles on hand for quick meals. Use store-bought ginger garlic paste to save time on grinding. 5. Batch cooking. Cook in batches and refrigerate or freeze portions for later use. This works well for dishes like dal, curries, and rice. Reheat the portions as needed for quick meals. 6. Use quick cooking ingredients. Opt for quick cooking ingredients like couscous, quinoa, and pre-soaked lentils to reduce cooking time. Use eggs, paneer, or tofu for quick and nutritious meals. 7. Simplify recipes. Choose simple recipes with fewer ingredients and steps. Avoid recipes that require elaborate preparation or long cooking times. 8. Microwave cooking. Use the microwave for quick cooking or reheating. It's perfect for making instant rice, steaming vegetables, or reheating leftovers. 9. Utilize leftovers. Transform leftovers into new meals. For example, use leftover rice to make fried rice or use leftover dal to make par the dough. Keep chutneys, pickles, and yogurt on hand to add flavor to simple dishes. 10. Practice basic meal prep. Boil a few eggs, cook some rice, and make a basic curry sauce at the beginning of the week. Use these components to assemble quick meals throughout the week. 11. Use nonstick cookware. Invest in good quality nonstick cookware to reduce the amount of oil needed and make cleanup easier. 12. Quick snacks. Keep quick snacks like nuts, fruits, and yogurt on hand for when you're too lazy to cook.